Welcome to this quick introduction to Surya Namaskar, aka Sun Salutations. We will begin by standing with hands sealed at heart center in Anjali Mudra. Feet can be hips distance apart or big toes touching. We'll begin our alignment by tucking the tailbone, imagining a dog tucking her tail between her legs, then internally rotating the thighs, allowing the heart to open and the shoulders to spread, but maintaining a knitting of the upper ribs. Drawing the navel towards the spine, finding elongation in the crown of the head towards the sky, slightly tucking the chin. On inhales, feeling your being expanding in all directions. On exhales, experiencing grounding. On an inhale, reaching your arms wide and up over your head, bringing the palms together if possible. Then taking the right forearm into the left arm and exhaling over to one side, turning the heart towards the sky if you'd like for a little bit of a nice side stretch here. Making sure the knees are bent so there's no strain on the back. On your next inhale, coming up to center, switching the grip so that your right hand is now clasping your left arm, drawing it over towards the other side, keeping the knees nice and bent for your side stretch. And then inhaling towards center, bringing the palms together. Exhaling into forward fold, deep forward fold here, perhaps taking your hands and placing them behind your legs, making sure that you have a nice deep knee bend here as to relieve the hamstrings and to protect the lower back. On your inhale, coming up to a flat back, Ardha Uttanasana. Allowing your knees to be nice and bent here. This will help to elongate the spine and lift the heart. So as you can see in the video, I will show the correct back placement. Not this one, nice long back with the tailbone drawing towards the sky. You can have your hands on your shins or wherever they go. Exhaling into a deep forward fold once more. Taking that nice deep forward fold. And then on your inhale, reaching your arms wide enough, sealing the hands at heart center in Anjali Mudra. Now we'll practice a partial sun salutation. Notice how each movement emulates the expansion of inhales and the grounding of exhales. On inhales, expanding the arms wide and up, and on exhales, grounding the hands at heart center. Inhaling wide and up, exhaling hands to heart center. Inhaling the arms wide and up once more. Exhaling the hands at heart center and grounding here. Now we'll practice a half Surya Namaskara, one movement, one breath. Inhaling, arms wide and up. Exhaling, bending the knees, swan diving forward. Inhaling up to a flat back and exhaling into a deeper forward fold. And then on your inhale, bending the knees, reverse swan diving up to standing and exhaling to seal the palms at heart center. Inhaling, arms wide and up, perhaps taking a light back bend here. Exhaling, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reaching the arms wide and up, perhaps a light back bend here. Exhaling to seal the hands at heart center. We'll do one more. Inhaling, reaching the arms wide and up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, up to a flat back. Exhale, deep forward fold. And then inhale, reaching the arms, widen up, perhaps a light back bend. And exhaling to seal the hands at heart center. Inhaling, expansion, and exhaling, grounding. Thank you all for joining me today for this quick introduction to Sun Salutations, aka Surya Namaskar. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.